Morning, children. Ready for today's lesson? Shall we begin? Yes? Okay. We are going to do a new set of phonic words. UG words and UT words. So let us begin with UG words. Now the first word we have here is bug. B-U-G, bug. Now bug means, children, an insect. Like we have butterflies or spiders. It is an insect. Okay. Now say with me, children. B-U-G, bug. Okay. Now sentence. I am afraid of bugs. Okay. Now this sentence, children, you don't have to learn or by heart. Okay. It is for us to understand the meaning of bug. Okay. Now, I am afraid of bugs. Now, teacher has written here bugs. You have already learnt one and many. Yes? Add S and write. Isn't it? Bug, bugs. Okay? I am afraid of bugs. Okay, children? Okay, next, dug. D-U-G, dug. Now, dug means khadda khodna. Okay? Now, you can see in this picture what the man is doing. He is digging. Okay, that is dug. D-U-G, dug. The man dug a hole. Okay. Now the sentence can be, I dug a hole using my hands. Now when you want to plant a tree, okay, what you do? You dug a hole and plant the tree. Isn't it? That is dug. D-U-G, dug. Next, hug. You put your arms around somebody, mummy, daddy, isn't it? That is hug. H-U-G, hug. H-U-G, hug. Okay? Now, I want to hug my mother and say thank you. Or, I hug my pillow at night. When you're going to sleep at night, you hug your pillow or you hug your soft toy, your teddy bear. You hug and go to sleep. Yes, that is hug. H-U-G, hug. What is this? Yes, you always learned this. J for jug, isn't it? J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Today we are going to learn the spelling of jug. J for jug. J-U-G, jug. Now jug, children, is a container where we pour in juice or milk. Okay. Now he filled the jug with juice. Okay, he filled the jug with the juice. Pour the milk into the jug. Okay, see, you're learning very new words, isn't it, children? Filled, pour, milk, juice, isn't it? That is very nice. Next, what is this? Mug. M-U-G, mug. Mug is a cup with a handle. M-U-G, mug. What do you do with this? You drink tea, coffee, milk, isn't it? Take a mug from the cupboard. Mummy keeps all the mugs in the cupboard, isn't it? So take a mug from the cupboard. Or there is some coffee in the mug. Now what mama tells you? There is some milk in the mug. Finish it. Yes, finish it full. She tells like that, isn't it? So that is, there is some coffee in the mug. You're learning English, children. Wow, very nice. Now what you have to do? Use all these sentences at home, children. When you're speaking to your mama, your daddy, okay, you're going to speak in English. Try to frame small sentences. Try to use them in your daily, okay. Next, this is rug. R-U-G, rug. Now rug is a carpet, okay. You can sit on it, you can sleep on it. That is rug. R-U-G, rug. Now what we do with the rug? We spread a rug on the grass. There is a small rug on the floor. We spread the rug. Remember, okay? We don't put the rug. We spread a rug on the grass. There is a small rug on the floor. That is R-U-G, rug. It is a carpet. Okay? Next, tug. T-U-G, tug. T-U-G, tug. Tug means you pull hard. Pull it out hard. Okay? A strong pull. That is tug. T-U-G, tug. Now you know children, there is a game, tug of war. Have you ever played that game? Yes? Let us play the game tug of war. Or never tug a plant by the stem. Now what does that mean? Never pull like this. Never pull the plant by the stem. Never tug a plant by the stem. Okay, that is tug. So what we have learnt? UG words. Let us repeat, children. Please repeat after me. Bug, dug, hug, jug, mug, rug and tug. Children, I hope you have understood the meaning of each and every word. Okay, we have tried to use it in the sentence also to make it very simple for you. Okay, children? Yes? Understood? Okay. Next, UT words. But. B-U-T, but. Now what does but mean? Lekin. But is lekin. B-U-T, but. Like in a sentence, how we are going to use? I want to go to the party, but I am so tired. Okay? You are not agreeing to it. That is but. When something is said, you say but. You don't agree. That is also a meaning. Now your mama tells you, eat your food. What you say? But mummy, I am not hungry. You say that, isn't it? That is but. I want to buy a car, but I do not have any money. Lekin, I don't have any money. That is but. B-U-T, but. Okay. Next, cut. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. Like you cut vegetables, you cut a ribbon, or you cut your hand. When you use blade or scissors, what you do? By accidentally you cut your finger. That is also cut. Okay? Like my mother cut the cake. Tom cut his finger. I got my hair cut. I help mother to cut the vegetables. Okay, this is all C-U-T, cut, you can use in sentences. Next, what is this? H for hut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. It is a simple house. Where we find that? In villages, isn't it? Now, I saw a hut. When I went to a village, I saw a hut. She lives in a small hut. Okay, that is H-U-T, hut. It is a small house, simple house. Now what we have here? Nut. N-U-T, nut. Now children, you eat badam every day? Yes? Or groundnuts? Or pista? Yes, mama gives you badam, pista and groundnuts to eat. Isn't it? That is nut. N-U-T, nut. Okay, this is all the types of nuts you can see here, children, isn't it? You have here badam, pista, you have groundnut, matlab shingdana. Okay, that is groundnut. So these are all types of nuts. Here the bird picked the nut. Okay, you can use like that. Or we should eat nuts every day. Now children, have you seen Ice Age movie? Yes, you have seen that. In that you can see this character, the squirrel is always behind that nut. He wants to eat that nut, isn't it? Have you seen this? Okay, that is nut. N-U-T, nut. Now children, these are all UT words. Let us revise them one more time. Cut, butt, nut and hut. Okay children, I hope you have understood the meaning using it in sentences. Yes? Okay? Okay children, bye and thank you and see you very soon, and always keep smiling.